Fairfriend Group, established in 1979, has three major business segments. Fairfriend Machine Tool Division is part of the Machine Tools segment, and our products are marketed under the brand name Feeler all over the world. Feeler has established a complete global marketing network and has more than 60 agents worldwide. With our comprehensive customer services and complete sales and technical training, Feeler provides customers with premium and top quality service. Fairfriend Group's Machine Tools segment produced more than 7,000 sets of CNC machine tools in 2007 and has become the biggest machine tools group in Taiwan and China, meeting all customers' demands via excellent quality and innovative technology. Fairfriend Group is heading to become the world's #1 CNC machine tools group, with a target of producing 12,000 sets of CNC machine tools by 2016. Feeler has a powerful and reliable production team, which is rooted in the company policy of integrity, responsibility, quality, customer satisfaction, and continuous growth to achieve excellence in quality. We also strive to produce high-stability, high-performance products to perform high-standard technology art. With strict production management, advanced machining technologies and complete subcontracting system, an autonomous process inspection of product assembly and production, and outstanding assembling technologies, Feeler produces premium, reliable products. Feeler's R&D team is devoted to developing better and more advanced machining tools. Using 3D CAD software in machine design, it effectively reduces developing time. To meet the various demands of all customers, Feeler continuously develops and improves better machining tools. In addition, Feeler has independently developed high-speed and high-precision vertical, horizontal, and large double-column machining centers, vertical and horizontal tuning centers, and CNC grinding machines to satisfy individual customers' requirements for automation and integration. From single machine to FMS flexible manufacturing systems, Feeler provides our customers with many options. Since 1993, Feeler has received numerous awards and honors and is considered to be one of the best Asian machine tool manufacturers in terms of quality and service. We place quality as our top priority. We pursue improved quality, and in return, high-quality products assure our customers the highest satisfaction. In the future, Feeler will restructure and reorganize our international manufacturing facilities in Taiwan, China, Europe, the USA, and Japan to integrate our regional advantages. These will in turn support the entire range of Feeler's products as we strive to achieve global competency.